The Sophia Christ conscious frequency is awoken in every twin flame. The Sophia Christ conscious frequency is awoken in every twin flame. What does that mean, Kat? Can we go deeper into it? Of course we can. Sophia Christ conscious frequency is wisdom and creation frequency. It is all of creation. Sophia was birthed out of creation. It is that spark of creation itself. This journey activates that spark of creation. We see that spark of creation in nature every single day. We see that spark of creation when the mother births that beautiful baby into the world, when it is created within the womb. That Sophia creation frequency now is there for you to work with, Divine Feminine. You see, on this journey in those first few weeks will break you open. Your divine counterpart comes in because they are the exact same soul essence, signature, and frequency as you. Your soul knew that you were ready to awaken. This doesn't happen by mistake or by chance. This journey is an activation. And let's face it, I say this often, but not everybody who believes they're on a twin flame journey truly is. This is a deep spiritual journey of deep transformation. And in the first few weeks, you will feel it is not a deep spiritual transformation, Kat, at all. My whole world is breaking apart. In the tarot, it looks like I am currently the tower, breaking apart. You will feel like you need to raise your hands up and even ask the angels, and you may never have worked with angels before, and said, please, somebody just help me. This is because in those first few weeks, in Dark Night of the Soul and Ego Death, that is when the identity is collapsing. Your whole identity is releasing, is letting go. And you are desperately trying to hold on to some parts of it, even if it is just a twin flame label. The Sophia Christ conscious frequency is creation itself. And you now have awoken to that frequency. But wherever you believe that this journey is happening to you, and you stay in the victim energy and you chase the golden carrot, you will stay in the distortion. And that is facts beyond any facts. This journey is a journey of pure detachment. This journey is a journey of releasing all the identities. When you start to release and start to fully surrender into the journey, knowing that this journey is not a journey that you can step off and go, okay, I choose somebody else. Many times people will come to me, can I choose another twin flame? No, this is an activation and your soul has come in. You do not choose this journey. This journey awakens when your soul knows that you are awoken to that Sophia Christ conscious frequency, when it activates within you. You are here on this journey not by mistake. You are here because you now are coming into that wholeness, that fullness. Each one of your chakras are your life force portals. But wherever you rely on somebody else for that safety, security of base root chakra, you are not aligning with your soul's frequency. You're not aligning with that Sophia Christ conscious frequency. Wherever you believe that, I'd love to do this, or I'd love to help people, but I can't do that. I'm stuck doing the job that I absolutely hate. You're not tapping into that Sophia Christ conscious frequency. Wherever you believe and you look away from your emotions and think that you need to go for the next plant medicine retreat, the next healer, the next goddess retreat, the next spiritual book, the next spiritual course, and that next one is going to heal you. You are not self-mastering the emotions. You are your own guru on this journey. But whenever you run from yourself, and a lot of the time it is said that the divine masculine is running, let me tell you the truth. If they are running, you are also running. You mirror the frequency. What they show you, so if they're not in right energy, then you are not in right energy. They are there to mirror, to show you, to be that signpost into your highest timeline, into your highest self. But whenever you believe that you need fixing outside of the self, you will stay in that looping energy over and over and over again. This journey is a deep journey of inner guidance. And that Sophia, Christ conscious frequency, has now awoken within you. And so it is about learning how to work with those activations, to self-master those emotions that are now triggered within you. It's now learning how to align with your soul purpose, how to create your own abundance frequency and your safety, your security, how to use those spiritual gifts. Those spiritual gifts are so strong for divine masculine. You will feel them. You will know what they're thinking and feeling and going through. But you won't see anything with the physical eyes. And that is why you need that validation. You need to just see what they're doing, to just check in. Why? Because you don't trust your third eye. You don't trust your spiritual gifts. When you start to trust deeply those spiritual gifts, and you don't just focus them on the distorted divine masculine, but you bring them back into your wholeness, your fullness, that is when your journey changes. When you start to know that this journey, you are that creation frequency. Nothing in it is outside of yourself. You are the Sophia Christ conscious frequency. Christ conscious creation frequency is now working through you. It is not separate to you. It is you. And now it has sparked within you. And now it is about you aligning. When you align, you tap into that Christ conscious frequency that brings you into that inner union frequency. And from inner union frequency, automatically, union frequency flows in. But it doesn't flow in like, oh, it's there, that's it, it's done. It comes in slowly. It weaves in. This is a journey of weaving. It's not a magic pill that's going to just fix you. We've turned into a society of, I need it fixed now. Where can I get it fixed now? That's not this journey. This journey is a weaving of the frequency. It is a journey of unbecoming. As you peel back the layers, you start to self-master. As you start to self-master, you come into that Christ conscious, the Sophia wisdom frequency. If you need more help and support, then my website is there. I know today we've gone a little bit deeper, but I know that some people are further along the journey. And if this today has not made much sense, save it, because there will be a part on your journey when you go, that now makes complete sense. I am now really tapping into that Sophia Christ conscious frequency of abundance and inner union. My website's there, 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. You are your own sacred soul. This is your sacred journey back to self. Your divine counterpart is there guiding you all the way. And I do want to say this. Once you've been activated on the journey, you can never lose each other. But whenever you are focused on them, you are in the distorted energy. This is about releasing, letting go, and allowing divine to guide you. when the time is right, the energies will weave in again and you will activate. And as you are activating, they are activating. I send you much love.